We are back with another Las Vegas home tour. So if you like home tours, stick around. This one is also a renovation project of ours. We're going to be up in the 23rd floor of this Las Vegas high-rise condo. Stick around. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, my name is Bryan Knisley. I'm your local Las Vegas real estate broker, and this channel is everything Las Vegas. Whether it's high-rise condos like this, or real estate in general, or just lifestyle choices here in Vegas, please reach out. We love hearing from you, helping people all across the world find their dream home right here in the Las Vegas Valley. We are going to jump into this unit right here. This is a renovation project with our parent company, Paragon Asset Management Group, and we love transforming old properties into modern luxury properties. Stick around, you're going to see what this one looks like right now. Now let me take you up to the 23rd floor of Regency Towers right here in the heart of the Las Vegas Country Club. We're looking at a comfy 1,856 square foot space here, complete with 2 bedrooms and 3 baths. It's been part of the Las Vegas skyline since 1974, and it has that classic Vegas vibe with all the modern comforts that you'd want today. And let me tell you about the views. They're absolutely amazing. Floor to ceiling windows give you a front row seat to the sunrise over Sunrise Mountain and the city lights of downtown. It's quite the backdrop for your morning coffee or your evening unwind. Now, Regency Towers itself is a bit of a local icon, one of the first high rises to dot the Las Vegas Strip with 218 units. It's got that comfy community feel. All the perks like concierge, a gym, a pool, and for those hot summer days. Guest suites for when your friends drop by. And then through the years, these condos have been given a bit of a facelift to keep up with the times, ensuring that they're places that anyone would be proud to call home. The location, you're smack in the middle of where it's all at, with easy access to the Strip, shopping, dining, and all the entertainment that you can handle. The views, the vibes, the amenities, it's all about living that upgraded Las Vegas life without losing touch with the charm that made it all so appealing in the first place. Welcome to Regency Towers. More than just an address, it's a slice of the Las Vegas high life, Vegas style. All right, we're here on the 23rd floor. I'm trying to be quiet because we're in the hallway, but let's go down to the unit right down here. As we walk in, we've got units facing the Strip side and units facing the mountain side over here. As we walk in. So, obviously lots of updating to do in this unit, and that's why we love investing in these. Let me see if I can get this close. That's why we love investing in these over here, because we got experience with this building, with the management, and with these types of the 2-bedroom units that we have here. So we love just kind of making it our own, making some adjustments and changes to these units, and just transforming this entire space and bringing it to more modern standards. So we're gonna head this way, so if you wanna trade new positions, we'll walk in this way. As you can see, when we walk in, we've got a laundry stack here. So these units are almost 1,900 square feet, I think 1,856 square feet. So lots of space-saving ideas that we have in here. So whether we leave the laundry here or not, we'll figure it out. But there's a laundry stack in here as you walk in, and then we come in here. And here's the main living space. And I think, obviously the big draw to these is going to be the balconies with the views, with being on the 23rd floor here. Amazing views of partial Strip view and mountain views from this side. But this is your main living space here. So we'll probably put some accents on the walls in here, and obviously changing up the colors and the flooring, and really transform this space. But come on over here. I want to show you outside first, because as we walk through the main living space, we come outside and you get this amazing view from the 23rd floor of the entire east side of Las Vegas and the mountains. We got Sunrise Mountain over here, the Sheep Mountains over there. And as you walk around, you get a little wrap on the balcony here, and then the other side goes all the way down from the secondary bedroom onto the primary bedroom over there, and we'll see that as we go inside there. So come on this way. As we walk in here, we've got our formal or dining space here, breakfast nook, and then our kitchen here. And this is where the biggest transformation is going to happen, is going to be in the kitchen. Obviously, tons of updating that needs to happen here, What we usually like to do is maybe take the fridge and move it over there, more counter space and cabinets over there, open up this kitchen a little bit more, and just kind of transform the space, make it modern and nice. So this is also gives you an idea. We'll take down all of these window coverings here, put in something more modern, but this gives you a view of the entire valley over here. If the weather's not favorable, then you stay inside and you got a nice, 180-degree view from there. So let's walk into this side. Just off of the entrance here is going to be the half bath as we walk in. And then the 2 bedrooms that are going to be on this side of the unit. It's got some storage here, and then your first secondary bedroom is going to be right here as you walk in. Got closet space there. I can see us completely wiping that out and opening up this room and making it larger over there and then using additional storage space. But again, another balcony that goes off of here. And we'll see that as we go into the primary bedroom. But over here, we've got a bathroom. Come this way. Got a bathroom here that actually is sort of like a Jack and Jill with the primary. We'll probably close this off, so this is its own bathroom here. Jacuzzi tub in there. Again, we'll probably rip that out. It's a little bit old school. And then as we head to this side, we've got the primary bedroom here. And biggest transformation we do in this side in the bedrooms is going to be to the primary bathroom. Lots of work to be done in here. Rip out all of this stuff in here. We've got your stand-up shower, the sink in here, probably put in dual sinks, and then open this space up. This closet can be so much bigger because they put in another bathroom on this side, and so we'll figure out what we're gonna do with that. But again, huge transformation to be done in here. And then this is your primary bedroom. Oh, here's what they did with the other closet, is they put in a secondary closet over here, which makes no sense because that can be one big closet throughout that entire bathroom, which is what we do in our other units that we've had. Close that off because we don't need that bathroom. And then come out here. That door's gonna slam. Nope. Check out this view. Right off of your primary bedroom, walk out here in the morning, enjoy your coffee, enjoy this beautiful view. And right now, the Vegas weather is perfect for this. So thanks for coming on the tour with us and hanging out. You just saw the before footage of this high-rise condo right here in Las Vegas Country Club, just a stone's throw away from the Las Vegas Strip, with beautiful views of the mountains, Las Vegas golf course, and actually come over here and take a look. If you're afraid of heights, that's kind of scary. But this channel, guys, everything Las Vegas, so whether it's high-rise condos like this or real estate like that or views like this, please reach out. We love hearing from you, helping people all across the world find their dream home right here in the Las Vegas Valley. Our information is below, and while you're there, please hit that subscribe button. Really helps out the channel, and we will keep making these videos as long as you guys keep watching. Hope to see you on the next one. See you soon.